We talk about how to set the parameters in the generate G code. We look at the tool settings. This working tool speed is set according to the actual operation value of the machine, and this left hat cut depth 1 and cut depth 2. The line board. If we choose line board, this lifting knife head must be higher than the cutting board. The height of the lifting knife is usually 13 or 14. The cut depth 1. For example, we cut an 18mm board and cut it through with one knife. The cutting depth 1 right minus 0.1. The cut depth 2 right 0. This line board. If we cut an 25mm board and 2 cuts, the cut depth 1 right half of the board is 13. The cut depth 2 right minus 0.1. And you can cut through. If you choose the cutting board, for example, we cut an 18mm board and cut it through with one knife. The one is 18.1. Two is 0. And we cut a 25mm board and 2 cuts. The one right minus 13. The 2 right minus 25.1. The next one is order, machine's order. The machine's order include start single station font, end single station font, start single station bank, and end single station bank. Different machine instructions are different. This instruction is set according to the manufacturer's machine. The machine model includes single process, multi-process, and drill. For example, the machine is a metal process model. Choose a metal process model here. You can see which knife is used in this place. If you choose drill, here only cutting and slot. The last one is the drill line order. Some machines have orders and others not have, so fill in according to the actual situation. Next is the knife way. Single blade pavement, single plate cutter, and export CD. Single blade pavement is sighting to knife with a big board, such as the width is 1,220, the depth is 2,440. Single blade cutter is sighting to knife with a small plate. It is mainly for docking the machine of 5-seed drill, 6-seed drill, and PTP. About single blade pavement. If you want a punch or slot, choose these options according to your actual needs. If you don't want to punch or slot, not choose any of them. About single plate cutter, I don't explain it here. If you have a need, contact our professionals to set it up. About export CD, if we choose it, there are two types of fields we export: NC and DXF field. DXF fields are not for machine reading, but for checking board parts. Next, sighting knife. Single panel with holes or slats adjusted to the front. This is usually taken to reduce the chance for flipping. 32 times simultaneous drilling reference. It's for docking the drill machine. This sighting will vary from machine to machine. The sighting of this option requires contacting the equipment factory or our professional staff. About term sighting. Deburring the front can be chosen or not. X and Y axis in position distance also can be chosen according to your actual needs, and deburring in reverse is usually optional. The last one, side knife one. Use a similar knife to drill the hole. This option is selected according to the multi-process. The different holes use the different knife. Split the side hole to part sighting. This option is for that whole machine. If you want to cite it, you can request contacting the equipment factory or our professional staff. This is the citing of the parameters that generate a G code.